Hello guys, my name is Zombie. So, welcome back to the news. This is for you, views and subs. Now then, what we have here today is... Here, let me get my paper. Majikan, will you do the thing for me? Oh, sure, no problem, bro. Thank you, Majikan. Here you go. Oh, thank you. My pleasure, sir. So, anyways, Hurricane, what's he say, Dorian, whatever, is coming to strike Florida, Georgia, North and South Carolina. Its category is 5. The speed is 185 miles per hour and 90 miles per hour. BM, whatever that said, is 910 miles per hour. And the Bahamas has been struck by Dorian just about earlier. Majikan, do the pleasure. Yes, sir, Mr. Newsman Zombie. Thank you. So, guys, if you're in the state, you should beware. If you're in one of your home states that the Category 5 hurricane, so please, listen to me. You must evacuate the neighborhood if it contains a hurricane. So, everybody, just get out of the hurricane zone, because you're gonna risk your own lives. Blood switch is very dangerous. Results, you may get injured or you can get death to achieve that easy. Sometimes. Well, not unless if you're having bad luck. Yeah. So, we're gonna get road floods if you're... Wait, I'm in Kentucky. But, yeah, I'm safe here. But if your home state's got floods, please evacuate right now. Or before something bad happens to you. So, anyways, guys. My name is Newsman Zombie. And see you on the next news. Stream out. Stream out? Sorry, it's still on.